Good morning, everyone. We have already started completing exercise 7.1. Today we start exercise 7.2. See, here we are having some related with the section. That means here you have to find out coordinate of the point with divide line segment. तो दो तरीके से पॉइंट लाइन सेगमेंट को डिवाइड कर सकता है. जैसे कि P ए बी को डिवाइड करता है, तो पहले ये कंडीशन हो सकता है कि P ए बी का मिड पॉइंट नहीं है. ओके, हियर इफ P इज नॉट अ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी, दैट मीन्स P will divide this line segment AB into two sections. This is called first section, it is called second section. See, it's not necessary that first section will be the smaller and second section will be the greater. Maybe first section can be the greater, another can be the smaller. In short, P will not be midpoint. P divide line segment into two parts. Okay, that two parts are called section. So like the ratio in which P divide AB is m is to n. That means the ratio from A to P is m and from P to B it is n. So m and n are ratio. So if I want to find out coordinate of P, then x coordinate of the P will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, and y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay. Let us solve first question. Find coordinate of the point with divide. So clearly it is mentioned with divide the point of this and this in 2:3. That means here A -1 7, B 4 -3. Here we have point P. So ratio is m equals to 2 and n equals to 3. Okay, clearly it is written divide, but nowhere it is mentioned कि whether it is midpoint or not. अगर वो midpoint नहीं है, clear mention नहीं किया, तो समझ जाने का वो line segment AB को exactly half नहीं करता है. Okay, so we'll apply section formula. दो section में divide करता है. So whatever ratio we have, that will be m and n. And these are the A and B, which will be x1 y1, x2 y2. So here we'll find out coordinate. First of all, we'll suppose let P divide AB in ratio 2:3. So we require coordinate of P. So we'll find out x coordinate, which is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. M is 2, x2, check it out, 4 plus n 3, x1 is -1 upon m plus n 2 plus 3. Okay, y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. M will be 2, y2 -3 plus n 3 and y1 is 7 upon m plus n, that means 2 plus 3. So here we'll have 2 4s are 8 plus 3 into -1 -3 upon 2 plus 3 5, 8 minus 3 5 upon 5 1. If we find out y coordinate, 2 into -3 -6 plus 3 7s are 21 upon 5 -6 plus minus plus minus 21 minus 6 15 by 5. Y will be 3 and x is 1. That means what are the coordinate of P? X 1 and y 3. Okay, divide line segment AB in the ratio 2:3. So here the sum is over. Go through it. Clear? Let us for next. Which is question number 2nd. Find the coordinate of the point look. The question is find the coordinate of point of trisection of the line segment joining this and this. Trisection. That means now we want to find out coordinate of the point. We divide this line segment AB, which is 4 minus 1, into trisection. Tri, that means how many? 3 section. Tri, that means 3 section, that means equal part. So simple, tell me how many point will be required on the AB so that it divide AB into 3 equal part? 2 point required. We'll take that 2 point P and Q. P and Q. P and Q. Now check it out. So this will be first section, second section and third section. So each section will have measurement 1. How much measurement? 1. So this part will be 1. This part also will be 1. And this also 1. Okay. Now let point P and Q divide line segment AB into trisection. Here we want to find out coordinate of both P and Q. And see, each one is equal part. First of all, check it out. P is the midpoint of AB? No. P midpoint नहीं, लेकिन हाँ AB को 2 सेक्शन में डिवाइड करता है. कौन से 2 सेक्शन? A से P तक का फर्स्ट सेक्शन और P से B तक का सेकंड सेक्शन. तो हमारे पास रेशियो होना चाहिए. तो ये रहा हमारे पास. सो A से P तक का रेशियो हमारे पास बनेगा 1. देखो यहां से यहां तक है 1. और अब मुझे बताओ कि P से B तक का रेशियो कितना बनेगा? फ्रॉम P टू B. ये 1 है और ये 1 है. टोटल कितना हुआ? 2 है ना. So P and Q divide AB into trisection. So first I want to find out coordinate of P. Then I should have ratio in which P divide line segment AB. So this P divide line segment AB in the ratio M equals to 1 to N equals to 2. So P divide AB in ratio 1:2. So here A 4 minus 1, B minus 2 minus 3. So A will be x1 y1, B this will be x2 y2, and we are having coordinate of M and N also. So first we'll find out coordinate of P. Coordinate of P. Okay. So x coordinate according to section formula, mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Tell me the m. What is m? 1. x2 is minus 2 plus n 2, x1 4, m plus n यानी 1 plus 2. तो क्या होगा? 1 into minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 4 is 8 upon 3 minus 2 plus 8 minus plus minus 8 minus 2 6 divided by 3. So x will be 2. Y coordinate will be my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So m 1, y2 minus 3 plus n 2 and y1 is minus 1. M plus n 1 plus 2. 1 into minus a minus 3 minus 2 by 3. Okay. So it will be minus a minus 2 minus minus plus, it will be minus 5 by 3. So x will be 2 and y will be minus 5 by 3. Okay. Now, so here we have found out coordinate of P. X coordinate 2 and y coordinate minus 5 by 3. Okay. Now we require coordinate of P, Q also. Coordinate of Q also. Now check it out. Q जो है P अब हमें मिल चुका है. Q PB का क्या दिख रहा है आपको? देखो ध्यान से. Q एक्चुअली सेंटर में है PB के. कहां पर है? सेंटर में. मतलब वो क्या है? मिड पॉइंट. सो फॉर द Q वी कैन अप्लाई फॉर्मूला ऑफ मिड पॉइंट. Q इज मिड पॉइंट ऑफ PB, है ना? सो P is 2 minus 5 by 3 and Q B is minus 2 minus 3. So this will be x1, y1, x2, y2. So coordinate of Q will be formula x1 plus x2 by 2. Will apply midpoint formula ना? Plus y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1 2 plus x2 minus 2 upon 2, y1 check it out minus 5 by 3 plus y2 is minus 3. Just a minute, very less space we are having over here. x1 2 plus x2 minus 2 by 2, y1 minus 5 by 3 plus y2 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So here 2 plus minus minus 2 by 2. Here minus 5 by 3 plus minus minus 3 by 1 upon 2. 2 minus 2 0, 0 by 2 will be 0. Here we'll find out LCM. So 3 will multiply with 1 and 1 will multiply with 3. So 3 3s are 9 upon 3 upon 2. Okay. So these both are the denominators. So can be written together. Minus 5 minus 9 minus 14. These both are denominator. 3 इसका denominator है और 2 पूरे fraction का. 2 into minus 7. So it will be 0 minus 7 by 3. So these are the coordinate of Q. So final answer P 2 minus 5 and Q 0 minus 7 3 divide AB in trisection. Go through it. So let me explain once again. Exactly the question was to find the coordinate of a point of trisection of the line segment joining this. यानी हमें ये जो लाइन सेगमेंट AB है उसको 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करने वाले पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट चाहिए. तो हमने वो दोनों पॉइंट कौन से लिए, P और Q. ठीक है. अब ट्राइसेक्शन का मतलब 3 इक्वल पार्ट. तो यहां से यहां तक का 1 सपोज कर लो, ये भी 1 ये भी 1. तो P अगर मुझे फाइंड करना है, P मिड पॉइंट तो है नहीं, दैट मीन्स विल अप्लाई सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. तो A से P तक का रेशियो होना चाहिए जो 1 है, P से B तक का रेशियो होना चाहिए जो 1 और 1 कितना हुआ 2. सो वी कैन राइट PQ divide AB into trisection. So P divide AB in the ratio 1:2. Simple, we'll apply formula to find out coordinate of P, x coordinate, y coordinate. Now we have coordinate of P, that is 2 minus 5 by 3. ठीक है. Now check it out. Q is the midpoint of PB. Q is the midpoint of line segment PB. So we'll apply midpoint formula for the Q, and you will get the answer. Go through it. क्लियर. अरे कुछ लोगों को कंफ्यूजन है कि 1 1 1 कहां से आया. अब ट्राई सेक्शन मतलब इक्वल पार्ट होने लिखा हुआ था, तो वो इक्वल पार्ट मैंने क्या ले लिया 1 यूनिट. क्या ले लिया 1 यूनिट, वो वहां से 1 आया. ठीक है. सो लेट अस सॉल्व नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Here it is. Very long question it is. So let me read. Say, to conduct the sport day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in figure. Niharika runs 1/4 distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flag? If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment. See, at last we are going to solve this one because it is little bit difficult one to understand for you. जैसे फॉर्मूले का पूरा आइडिया आ जाएगा हम उसको सॉल्व कर डालेंगे, ठीक है. So question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment look, here the question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point this and this is divided by -1/6. Suppose if I suppose this A as -310, B as 6 - 8, then here it is a P -16 and we want this M and N. The question is P -16 divide A -310 and B 6 - 8. Okay, but in which ratio it divide that we want? Check it out. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point -310 and 6 - 8 is divided by -16. So simple, this will be x1 y1 x2 y2. This point divides this coordinate xy. So again P divide this line segment AB. P is not a midpoint. Check it out. That means section formula. Let us apply section formula. X is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So here x is -1, m we want x2 6 plus n we want x1 -3 upon m plus n. Shift this m plus n towards left hand side. We'll have -1 into m minus m minus 1 into n minus n equal to 6 into m 6m minus 3 into n minus 3n. Now what we'll do? We'll shift m towards left hand side and towards right hand side. So we will be having, when 6m shift it will be minus 6m, when minus n shift it will be plus n. ओके, प्लस 6m इधर जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस n इधर जाएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. माइनस माइनस प्लस, -1 -6 -7m and plus minus minus 3 minus 1 2n greater is 3, so it's sign negative. Minus minus cancel, shift n down. Now shift this 7 down. So here we have answer. P divide line segment AB in which ratio? -2:7. Which ratio? Here minus minus so cancel. 2:7. The question was what? P divide line segment AB. but in which ratio it was not given. So we have find it out in which ratio divide 2:7. You might be thinking why we have not applied formula of y coordinate. ये apply क्यों नहीं किया? If you apply this formula of y coordinate, again you will get same answer. Okay? So P divide AB into ratio 2:7. Okay, so here the question is over. Let us solve question number 5. Go through it. Next question is same. Again we want ratio. Find ratio in which the line segment joining AB is divided by the x-axis. See, x-axis divides. We know very well. The coordinate of the point on the x-axis is x0. So A is 1 minus 5, B is minus 4, 5. So this P is on x-axis. Check it out. The point on the x-axis divide this line segment joining A and B. Px0. So here we don't have m and n. M is to n ratio we want. So here two things we want. We want m is to n ratio as well as x. क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि वो रेशियो भी फाइंड करो और वो कोऑर्डिनेट भी फाइंड करो. Simple. P is not a midpoint, so again we'll apply section formula. So it will be x1 y1 x2 y2 x y. Okay, so here x coordinate mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. So x coordinate is x itself, m we don't have, x2 minus 4, n itself x1 is 1 upon m plus n. Okay, so x will be m into minus 4 minus 4m plus n by m plus n. See, until we don't have value of m and we cannot get value of x. So for that what we'll do? Now we'll apply formula of y coordinate. आगे तो हमें यहाँ से रेशियो मिल गया था, इसलिए y कोऑर्डिनेट का नहीं लगाया था, लेकिन यहाँ पर हमें कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल रही है, तो y कोऑर्डिनेट का फॉर्मूला लगाना पड़ेगा, which is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, so here y coordinate is, check it out, 0, m by 2 5 and y1 minus 5 upon m plus n. When m plus n shift to 0, it will be 0, 5 into m 5m minus 5 into n minus 5n. This m plus n when shift, it will be 0. Now shift this 5m towards left hand side. ये मैंने डिनोमिनेटर में m plus n क्यों नहीं लिखा, समझ में आया ना? ये इस तरफ शिफ्ट होगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. Shift 5m, it will be minus 5 cancel. Shift m n down. Shift this 5 down. So it will be 1 by 1. So ratio is, value of m is 1 and n is also 1. So from 1, now this value of m and n we substitute in this x coordinate. So minus 4, m is 1, n is 1, 1 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So minus 4 plus 1, minus 3 by 2. Okay. So here we have solved. So what the question was? Find the ratio. Ratio we have find it out, 1:1. Okay. So x axis divide line segment AB in ratio 1:1, and we want coordinate of the point of intersection also. So coordinate of point of intersection is Px0. This is point of intersection, will be equals to Px is minus 3 by 2, 0. Solve. Go through it. Clear? So let us end this lecture over here. Bye.